Hey, what's going on, everyone? Here today we got this 2021 Audi Q7. Came in for a few goodies. First off, we did Xpel Ultimate Plus PPF on the front bumper, the hood, and the mirrors to protect it from chips and scratches. On top of that, we went and applied Ceramic Pro Gold package ceramic coating to the full exterior of the vehicle. And then also they went with a set of Blackvue dash cameras, 4K video quality, with also Blackvue's extended battery pack, so it can record while the vehicle is off and parked. And there's your small one mounted in the rear. It's a front and rear system. Now it's ready to go back to its owner. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.